Guys, I found the secret. Yes, I found the secret to getting 1000 subscribers. In just 2 to 3 days, you will accumulate your 1000 subscribers. You don't need to go viral. You don't need to upload videos, even though you are too lazy to do anything on your channel. This particular method, this hack that I want to share with you, will accumulate you your 1000 subscribers immediately. And the beautiful part of it is that I try it on this my channel that I've abandoned for how many months. I've posted on that channel, but I stopped using the channel just because I couldn't accumulate my 1000 subscribers. So it was few days ago I was making a research. I found a big creator making a video about how he got his first 1000 subscribers. So guys, I decided to try it on this channel. Guess what? I got over 1200 plus subscribers. Yes. So guys, this website that I'm about to share with you, this app that I'm about to share with you, will accumulate you your 1000 subscribers in just 2 to 3 days. This is what big creators have been hiding from us, and they are not telling us. The only thing they will tell us on this YouTube is keep posting, keep posting. But guys, I found the secret. Yes, this particular website will actually get you subscribers automatically, and those people will start subscribing on your channel. Even though you go to bed and sleep with maybe 10 subscribers, when you wake up you will see 500 to 1000 subscribers on your channel. So if this video sounds like what you want to see today, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. That is if at the end this video helped you. And if you have already subscribed, or maybe this particular strategy, this particular method didn't work for you, come back on this channel and unsubscribe. Like, I'm very confident, I'm very sure of what I am saying, because I tried this on this channel and I was shocked by the results. So if you have been struggling to get your 1000 subscribers, this video is right here for you. Okay, if you are interested, let me walk you through and show you what you are going to do. I mean, 2 new methods, 2 new hack, or what will I say, 2 new strategy you will use to accumulate it. And this is the final bus stop of you struggling to get 1000 subscribers. Now you can now start looking for your 4000 watch hours to get monetized. Come with me, let's go. Come over to your YouTube channel here. You click on this 3 icon. Once you click on this 3 icon, we have to click on this share. Once you click on this share, you see copy link. Copy link. Now this link that we just copy is our channel link. So after you have copied your channel link, the next thing you have to do is to come over to your browser. Once you come over to your browser, you type you come on the search bar and type free auto subscribe generator. So once you click free auto subscribe generator, you see the options. So the first option is what we have here, free auto generate subscriber. You click on it. Once you click on it, now it will bring you to this interface. Now the first site you are going to click, the first website you are going to click that will actually get you this 1000 subscriber is this first one. Okay, just take a note of this of their logo. This first man that you are seeing here, this first one that say social video plaza. So once you click on it, you click on this free auto subscribe link generator. Once you click on it, it will now open. So let's wait for it to open. Okay, now so here it says paste a YouTube channel URL. Now what are we going to paste here is the link that we just copy from our YouTube channel. The link that you just copy from your YouTube channel, that link that we just copy, now once you paste it here, you have to paste it here. Once you paste it here, you click on this generate. Once you click on this generate, it will start generating a link for you. So while we are waiting for it to generate, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let's wait for it to generate. Okay, now it has generated an auto subscribe link for us. Yes, now this is the link here. What you have to do is to copy the link to clipboard. Once you copy the link, it will tell you copy to
clipboard, you now click OK. Now once you click OK, it has copied automatically. Now the next thing is to head over to your YouTube dashboard, your Chrome browser. Once you come over to your Chrome browser, you click on this pencil icon. Now once you click on this pencil icon, then you wait for it to upload. Now once it bring you to this interface, you have to scroll up. Once you scroll up, you will see this place where they write add link. So once you click on this add link, you add the link. Now here he said here they said link title. Now what are you going to write here for people to subscribe automatically? Yes, without you uploading videos, without you going viral, you just to come over here and say, maybe you say subscribe now. Yes, once you click on this, once you type the subscribe now, you click, then you come over to this URL and now paste the link that you just copied, that we just copied now. Okay, that I just copied, that same link you copy from that auto subscribe link. Now you have to paste it. Okay, now once you paste it, it has been pasted. Now you do another one, you add the next link again. You try to make it two, so that if the person did not click the first one, he or she might definitely click the second one. So you don't want to miss any subscription coming your way. Okay, now here we can also see please subscribe or subscribe now. Let's use the same subscribe now. Okay, subscribe now. Okay, so once you finish typing subscribe now, the link title, you come over here and also insert that same link that we just copied. Just hold on your screen steadily and now click on paste. Now once you click on paste, the link has been pasted on your URL section on this box. Now here you have two links. Once you have finished inserting the link, you come over here and click on publish. Now the link has been effective, okay, and it will start working on your channel. Okay, now the reason why we are doing this is so that anybody that comes to our channel, instead of that person watching our video, or anybody that just view our channel, and once they see this link, they will automatically click on this link, and once they click on this link, they have already subscribed. Like, they will subscribe automatically without them watching any of your video, or without you uploading, even though you are lazy. Okay, and it will make other people, once they click on this link, they will automatically subscribe to your channel. Okay, you can just sleep in the night, leave your phone without you uploading videos, and when you wake up the next morning, you will see a lot of subscribers, meaning that people have subscribed to your channel through this link. Okay, but that is not all. That is not all I want to show you. Now the next one you have to click is to come over here and click on this home tab. Once you click on this home tab, you come over to this section that says add section. Now once you click on this add section, make sure you add your channel trailer, your spotlight for returning subscribers, your videos, your popular video, your short, your collaboration, your live. Make sure you add all the videos. Now the reason why we are doing this thing is that so that anybody that come to your channel for the first time, the first video they watch on your channel is your channel trailer, and the video you add on your channel trailer is your best performing video. Yes, the video that got you enough views, maybe the one that got you 5,000 views, 10,000 views, 1,000 views, but make sure it's one of your most popular video. Okay, so make sure you set all these things, add your popular videos, make sure you arrange your channel so that when all these people are subscribing through the link, they will see the reason why they are subscribing to your channel, and they will know that this channel belongs to a human being and not a robot. Okay, so this is how you are going to get your 1,000 subscriber. Okay, now I'm going to my channel to show you the link that we just activated. The link, let me show you how it looks on my channel. Now this is the link that we just added on my channel, on your channel. Okay, now can you see the two links here? The first link is subscribe now, so anybody that click on the first link will automatically subscribe, or anybody that click on the second one, depending on the one the person clicks, the person will automatically subscribe to your channel. Yes, you could just go to bed with maybe 10 subscribers, and when you wake up the next morning, you will see 100 or even 200 subscribers. But one thing I want you to know is that before you do this thing, you must at least post videos. Yes, you must at least have videos on your channel. Yes, a proof to show that you are a real creator and you have been uploading. Yes, make sure that you upload video first before you do this thing. Yes, so that it will work very well and all those subscribers will start engaging on your videos. Because if you do it on a new channel that have not posted before, it might not actually work so well for you. Okay, but if you have uploaded a video on your channel and you do this thing, you added this link, it will work for you. Okay, so use this link if you're struggling to get 1000 subscribers. This is actually how I use it on the other of my channel, like I told you earlier before. Okay, so this is how you are going to use it. If this video find you interesting and helpful and also educative, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification so that you get notified anytime I upload an update like this. Thank you, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.